Yo, what's up everybody? This is Dayton from Killinois Kennels again, and today what you guys are going to be seeing is a breakdown on the pricing of our American Bully puppies that's going to be for sale this Sunday. In this video, we're going to number the puppies individually, break down the prices, tell you a little bit about this litter. It's going to be a really good short video. Make sure you guys stay tuned. For everybody that's interested in purchasing one of these American Bullies, I highly recommend you watch this video all the way through. We're going to start off by showing you just a little bit of clips of the parents. We know a lot of you guys have already seen that, but there's going to be a lot of new people coming across this video that have no idea what's going on. Right now, what you're looking at is going to be the father. This is our boy, Killinois Kennels Napoleon. And this right here is going to be the mother. This is our girl, Killinois Kennels Queen. For anybody that wants to see more footage of the parents or a breakdown of the pedigree and tons of footage of the puppies, make sure you check the description of this video. I'm going to leave a link to the breeding video and the video of the puppies. But that's it for the footage of the parents. Now let's go ahead and get into the footage you guys all came here to see. Well, here they are. Here are the Napoleon and Queen pups at 12 weeks old. We only ended up with 5 males off of this litter. The pups are gonna come up to date on shots, wormed, ears cropped, ABKC papers, the whole 9 yards. One thing I failed to mention in our previous video on the channel is the blood behind these puppies is so exclusive. They could be bred to pretty much any American Bully out. And the only people that can provide you blood like that is gonna be us here at Killinois Kennels. These dogs are about 80% razor's edge. That means for all you guys out there with those heavy Dax bred dogs, you know, people that have bought dogs from us off of Baby James, God of War, dogs like that. That's the whole reason why we did this breeding, is for these pups to line up to our heavy bred Dax stuff. And for any, you know, that works for anybody else out there with some heavy bred Dax dogs. Like I said, these dogs are about 80% razor's edge and pretty much can be bred to anything out. Like I said, super exclusive blood that can pretty much go any which way you want. You know, for those of you guys that are looking to get into this stuff, looking to start breeding dogs and stuff like that, this will be some really good foundation blood for anybody trying to start. I just wanted to put that out there for you guys. You know, in the previous video, I didn't really talk too much about the puppies, but this litter turned out super nice, man. And you know, now we're gonna go ahead and move on and start breaking down those prices for you. With this litter, we got some crazy good deals going on with these puppies. And like I always tell you guys, you know, we got the best prices versus quality you will find anywhere in the world. We're gonna start from the left and move all the way to the right, and we're gonna start with male 1 right here. He's gonna be the reddest fawn male. He's gonna be going for $2,500. This boy is a really nice balanced dog, and I think he's gonna be a good show prospect. Super, super good deal on this boy. And male 2, he's gonna be the white and black male. He's gonna be going for $4K. This boy is insane and one of my personal favorites from the litter. I can't wait to see where this guy goes. This boy has the potential to be one of Napoleon's best sons ever. Male 3, he's like a lilac male with a little bit more white on him. This boy's gonna be going for $2K, and he's gonna be sold as pet quality. He has a little baby kink in his tail, nothing real bad at all. It was so mild that we didn't even dock it. Outside of that, this boy is perfect, and he is a really good come up for anybody trying to save some money, but still ended up with a real nice dog. For anybody that's interested in that boy, I highly recommend you guys go check out yesterday's video. There's plenty of footage of his tail in that video. And you know, it's like I said, it's not a big deal at all. You almost can't even tell he has it. Male 4, he's probably the most well-balanced dog off of this whole litter. He's a really nice pick, and he's gonna be going for $3K, which is a super good deal on this boy, man. Like I said, he's probably the most well-balanced dog off the whole litter, and I feel like he's gonna be a really good show prospect. Male number 5 is gonna be the blue and white male, and this boy might be the bulliest pup out of this whole litter. he's gonna be going for $3,500, and all of these prices are just the prices of the pup. If you guys are gonna need shipping, that's gonna be extra, but you won't be paying us at Killinois Kennels for the shipping. You will actually be paying our ground shipper, Randy. And you know, he gives pretty good deals, but everybody knows that gas prices have went up like crazy, so the prices ain't quite as sweet as they used to be. You know, they used to be between $300 and $600 depending on where you're at, but the prices have went up a little bit, and I cannot get you an exact price until we know where all these puppies are going. But one thing I can promise you is the shipping will be cheaper than anywhere else you can get it. As far as paying us for the puppies, like I said in previous video, we take Cash App and Zelle, and those are the only form of payments that we take at this time. You know, and for those of you guys that are new to Cash App and Zelle, I highly recommend you download both of them and get everything ready for Sunday, because the only thing that will lock in one of these puppies for you on Sunday is paying for the dog in full, man. And the reason why I tell you guys, if you're new to those platforms like Zelle and Cash App, to download both is because if you're new, they give you short limits and you might not be able to pay for the dog in full. So that's why we tell you guys to go ahead and download both of them. We're not trying to make things difficult for you guys. We're trying to give you guys all the heads up you need to purchase one of these pups on Sunday. Well, that's it for the video of the Napoleon Queen pups. Don't forget to let us know in the comments section which one was your favorite puppy and which puppy will you be shooting for on Sunday. If you like this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, and let's shoot for 1,000 likes on this video. If we can get 1,000 likes on this video, I'll upload the video we got of our boy here, Killinois Kennels Red Rum, one of our up-and-coming Napoleon sons. We got some big things going down with this boy right now, and I can't wait to show them to you guys, so make sure you guys hit that like button. Like I always say, just as excited as you guys are to pick up one of our American Bully puppies, we're just as excited to add all you guys to the Killinois family. If you're part of the Killinois family, hashtag Killinois family in the comments section. If you haven't already, make sure you guys get over to Instagram, follow us at Killinois_Kennels. We just hit 10K followers on there. I need to update this thumbnail right here. And you know, also make sure you guys get over there to TikTok and follow us at Killinois Kennels as well. We just reached over 1,000 followers on there, man. We've been dropping a lot of exclusive content that you guys do not see on YouTube. So again, make sure you guys get over there and check us out. I want to send a major shout out to the Killinois family, everybody that's purchased a dog from our kennel. Everybody's taking real good care of them dogs and sending out us footage to put up on the channel. Big shout out to you guys. I also want to send a shout out to all of our supporters. Everybody showing love on the videos, hitting that like button, commenting, sharing our videos, telling their friends about our channel. We just blew past 55,000 subscribers, and we couldn't have got there without all your guys' help, man. We got major things coming to the channel. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm telling you, man, you guys ain't ready for what we got coming.